Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am. Crypto is up. I'm having a great day, sitting back, chilling. Bought some of the dips. You know what I mean? So as you guys can see here, market cap currently is $344 billion, 24-hour volume 115 billion. BTC Diamonds is at 58.6%. In the last 24 hours, we was at 335 billion. Now we're at 344 billion. Extra 9 billion came into the market. In the last 24 hours. And as you guys can see here, in the last 7 days, the last week, we was at $337 billion. And now we're at 344 billion. So extra $7 billion came into the market in the last week. BTC, we see that BTC right on that support line. As you guys can see here, we have a few wicks that came down here, but rest of that support line, we're up to $10,877. Let's check out, let's see what the technicals are saying right now. Saying on one day, BTC is a strong buy. In the next 4 hours, BTC is a strong buy. Let's say in the next week, BTC is a strong buy. The moving averages on the summary is still a buy. So it's just something to think about here, guys, and make sure you utilize all the tools that's out there so you're able to make this trading thing a little bit easier. This investing thing a little bit easier, so you'll be fine. As you guys can see here, in the last 6 months, look at this. Year to date, I mean, think about this, man. Think about this. Year to date, you're up 51%. How many other investments are you in as you're up 51%? You know what I'm saying? So it's just something to think about. Now, let's get right into it, guys. So it says, Solana set to launch decentralized Ethereum bridge to power DeFi. Now, Ethereum liquidity will no longer have to go through FTX to reach Solana. Now, it says Solana, the smart contract platform that recently entered the spotlight thanks to FTX, Serum announced the upcoming release of what it says is a decentralized bridge for Ethereum ERC20 tokens. Now, it says called wormhole. The bridge would allow users to transfer value between the different blockchains, turning ERC20 tokens into Solana's corresponding SPL standard. The bridge is currently being audited by Kudelski, a major Swiss security firm. Anatoly Yakovenko, the CEO of Solana, told Cointelegraph that the release is expected for the end of October. A beta of the bridge will be available to developers in the October 28th hackathon, with the full release expected soon after. Now, Wormhole uses a set of Guardians picked from Solana's existing validators on the Proof of Stake network. The company explained that Wormhole is a proof of authority network borrowing trust and identities from the main chain. Now, Guardians are responsible for reading data from both blockchains and verifying the correct operations of the bridge. When 2/3 of the validators sign for the correctness of a particular transaction, smart contracts on both sides mint and burn the corresponding token amounts to trigger the transfer. The system appears to work in a similar way to federated bridging seen on Bitcoin side chains like Liquid or RSK. Through the Guardians do not seem to be direct custodians of the assets in the bridge. Then the Wormhole nodes are able to decide on a new Guardian set, which the company says is established with an off-chain governance system. Now, Yakovenko added that Wormhole is just step one. The team is working on a parallel implementation that will feature on-chain light clients, which could eliminate the need for any type of concrete validator. These different bridges have trade-offs between how fast they can be built, user speed costs, and decentralization, but you can combine them to have the best of both worlds, he explained. And he says Solana is currently home to Serum, an order book-based decentralized exchange developed by FTX. Up to now, Ethereum liquidity can only make its way to Solana through FTX wrapping service. Wormhole would add another option for traders wishing to use Serum and other protocols. Now, Yakovenko also cited a few other DeFi protocols currently building on Solana. Then he says, including Stardust, Terra, Ramp DeFi, Anchor, and Ren. It's a few good companies. Now, Solana claims a transaction rate of more than 50,000 transactions per second, which is achieved through a variation of practical Byzantine fault tolerance algorithm seen in blockchains like Neo, which is one of my favorite coins. If you guys have been following this channel for a while, you already know that. The core idea behind its architecture is to have a network that is at least as fast as a single node, which means eliminating bandwidth bottlenecks that also limit scalability on other chains. This allows the blockchain node software to be strongly parallelized in contrast to many other chains that do not leverage the multi-threading capabilities of today's hardware. Now, guys, like I said, I'm all about staking, proof of stake, taking my money, putting it somewhere, and able to utilize that. Utilize that platform to get me more coins or get me more money and earn it by interest. And I think using this wormhole is pretty good. The scalability of it is great. Everyone's getting on this DeFi thing, so it only makes sense that Solana is doing it as well. So just something to think about, guys. But yeah, let me know what you think about this here, guys. This is more for the techie people, and we got some nerds out there, and I want to be able to talk to the nerds sometime as well. So I'm a nerd, but I'm a fly nerd. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this here, guys. I would love to see if you guys gonna be utilizing this. Let me know if you guys excited about this right here as well. But it's your guy Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black, guys. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys follow us on Facebook, Crypto Black. Also, make sure you guys go visit our website, www.cryptoblack.net, if you want to take the course and actually learn about cryptocurrency. If you're brand new, that'll put you 1 to 2 years ahead of everyone else. Learn about cryptocurrency, and you'll learn how to earn cryptocurrency as well, how you can make money in different ways. All right. Also, guys, make sure you visit our podcast, the Crypto Black Podcast. We are currently in season 1. We'll be wrapping up season 1 real soon, and we'll be going on to season 2 very soon as well. And yeah, so we're the Crypto Black Podcast. We're on Apple, we're on Google, we're on Spotify, and we're on a plethora of other podcasts. We can actually listen to podcast platforms. Okay, but we'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Make sure you stack your sats and chill. Again, this is your guy Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby.